How to find Cash App transaction history. First things first, open up your Cash App. Look at the very bottom right corner of your screen. See that little clock icon? Tap on that. Boom, this is your activity feed. You can scroll through here to see all your recent payments, incoming cash, and even pending stuff. Now, if you're looking for something specific, like checking exactly how much you paid your friend for dinner or tracking down a specific company payout, don't waste your time scrolling. Just tap the search bar right at the top, type in their name, and it'll pull up a clean list of every single transaction you've ever had with them. Super handy. But what if you need an official, organized breakdown, say for taxes or a budget spreadsheet? Let's grab your actual bank statements. Go back to the main screen and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down a bit until you see Documents and give that a tap. You'll see a few options here, but for this, we're going to hit Statements and then choose Account Statements. From here, just pick the exact month you need to look at. Cash App will instantly generate a clean PDF statement showing a fully detailed professional transaction history that you can view or download right to your phone. Now, if you found what you were looking for, but you actually want to get rid of it permanently, click right here to watch my next video on how to completely delete and clear your Cash App transaction history. See you there.